Hami and the Shining Moon. One quiet evening, little Hami sat by his window, holding a tiny tissue in his hand. He looked up at the big, glowing moon and felt a gentle sadness. "The moon looks a bit dusty," he whispered. "I want to clean it with my tissue." Suddenly, a soft, twinkling star floated down and smiled at Hami. "Would you like to visit the moon and see it up close?" the star asked. With a big nod, Hami held the star's hand tight, and together they floated gently up into the sky. The air smelled fresh like cotton candy, and the clouds felt soft like pillows. When they reached the moon, Hami touched its smooth, silvery surface. "Oh, the moon is so shiny," he said happily. The moon giggled softly like a lullaby and said, "Thank you for wanting to clean me, dear Hami, but I don't need a tissue. I shine bright because of the sun's gentle light and my own happy glow." Hami smiled and hugged the moon's round face. "I'm glad you're so beautiful. I was worried you might be dirty." The moon's light sparkled warmly. "You are kind and curious, Hami. That makes you a special moon hero. Now, it's time to rest and dream under my shiny watch." Back in his cozy bed, Hami felt proud and peaceful. He yawned, snuggled his blanket, and whispered, "Good night, moon. Thank you for shining just for me." The moon watched over him like a gentle friend, lighting the night with love and magic.